Transform your Webflow buttons from static elements into dynamic, captivating experiences with this magnetic button effect. Today, we're diving into how to create a magnetic button animation where your button subtly follows the cursor, adding a playful and interactive touch that will truly make your website memorable. First, let's select the button we want to animate in the navigator. I've already added a standard Webflow button on the right-hand side. In the Element Settings panel, notice the ID field. This is crucial for our animation. Give your button a unique ID. I'll call this one Magnetic Bit. This ID acts as a label for Webflow to recognize this specific element for our interaction. Now, let's create a new class for this button. I'll name it Magnetic Bit Wrapper. This class will house our animation settings. It's good practice to create a wrapper class to keep our styles organized. With our button selected and its new class applied, let's head over to the Interactions panel. Represented by the lightning bolt icon, we'll click on Element Trigger, and then choose Mouse Move. Here's where the magic happens. We'll set the trigger to Mouse Move over Element, and then click the Create Other Animation button. This will open up the animation timeline. We want this animation to happen while the mouse is moving over our button, so we'll focus on the while moving section now. Let's add our first animation step. Click the plus icon under while moving and select Move. This move action allows us to control the X and Y position of our element based on cursor movement. We'll set the device preview to desktop and ensure the On Move option is selected. For the X value, let's start with a -10. This will make the button move slightly to the left when the cursor is on the right side of the button. For the Y value, we'll also use a -10, making it move upwards when the cursor is below. Now, to make it follow the cursor in the opposite direction, we need to add the opposing movement. Click the plus icon again and add another move action this time. For the X value, we'll set it to a +10, and for the Y value, also a +10. This creates the mirroring effect. You can adjust these values to control the intensity of the magnetic pull for a subtler effect. You might use smaller numbers like 5 or 7. Finally, to ensure a smooth transition, let's add an ease or duration to soften the movement under the move actions. You can adjust the easing to ease out or set a specific duration for a fluid animation. And that's it. Save your interaction and publish your site. You'll now see your button come to life with a delightful magnetic pull. As your users interact with it, this small touch can significantly enhance your website's user experience and make it stand out.